Assalamu alaikum. I have made a playlist on Pakistan's affairs where you will get epic one-liners that are exam oriented. Let's get started. Mughal Empire started in 1526 and lasted till 1540. After that there was a brief gap when Mughal Empire declined and rose again in 1555 and lasted till 1857. It was founded by Zahiruddin Babur in 1526. Babur came from Fargana, Uzbekistan. Babur invaded Ibrahim Lodhi. First battle of Panipat was fought between Lodhi and Babur on 21st April 1526. Babur won this battle. Second battle of Panipat was fought between Akbar and Himu in 1556. Third battle of Panipat was fought between Ahmad Shah Abdali and Marathas in 1761. Ahmad Shah Abdali won this battle. Babur died on 26th December 1530. He is buried in Kabul. After that, Humayun became king on 30th December 1530. Humayun died in 1556. He is buried in Delhi. Akbar became king on 14th February 1556. During Akbar's era, Deen-e-Ilahi was established in 1582. Attock Fort was built by Akbar. Its construction started in 1581 and lasted till 1583. Akbar made Lahore as capital for 14 years, from 1584 till 1598. Akbar died on 27th October 1605 due to diarrhea. He is buried in Agra. Jahangir became king in 1605. Name of Noor Jahan was Mehrunisa. Hiran Minar was built by Jahangir in Shekhupura in 1606. Jahangir died on 28th October 1627. He is buried in Lahore. Shah Jahan became king in 1628. Name of Mumtaz Mahal is Arjuman Banu Begum. She died in 1630. Taj Mahal was built in Agra, UP. Its construction started in 1631 and completed in 1653. Chief architect of Taj Mahal was Ustad Ahad Lahori. Taj Mahal was built on the bank of Jamuna. Shalimar Gardens built in 1642 in Lahore. Jaburji was built by Jahan Ara Begum in 1646. Shah Jahan died on 22 January 1666. He is buried in Agra, followed by Aurangzeb Alamgir, who became king in 1658. Badshahi Mosque was built in 1673 in Lahore. Aurangzeb Alamgir ruled in India for 49 years. Mughal Empire flourished under his rule. Aurangzeb Alamgir died in 1707. He is buried in Khulabad. One important thing to remember that Aurangzeb Alamgir imposed jizya tax that contributed to the decline of Mughal Empire. Khulabad is in state Maharashtra. Khulabad is also known as Aurangabad.